Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is February 14th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. If I'm talking about levels or numbers here, no trade recommendation at all. This is just a review of the market, what I'm seeing in my opinion, maybe my opinion of what I think may be happening, but no trade recommendations. All right, let's take a quick look at the charts and see what's happening here. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this and resize this for the quarterly chart. On this quarterly chart, we're still the Russell. The Russell is one of those ones where it could take, we know it could take all year long before it breaks its high. It can end up going sideways all year long, like it did back over here. This year, it dropped and it stayed down here. It takes all year long to get moving for the Russell. The Russell is a big boy. The Russell is green. The Russell likes trading in a range, but it's kind of hard to actually and look like it's slowly, might be slowly trending up, but that's what I see here. It's staying above the pivot, it's staying below R1, and that's what I see here on this big picture and all. But let's go down to the monthly chart and see what we see here on this monthly chart. Again, we had this big sell-off at the end of last year and all. Based on the Russell, it's probably going to have a hard time getting above all this here. So I kind of expect the Russell to continue going sideways. Right now it's below pivot and all the quarterly pivot. So this quarter we have one more month in this quarter and all. So it may not get above pivot this quarter unless something really crazy happening. And going below support 1, it probably won't do that either. You know, it's the Russell gets where it goes sideways a lot. It can get some long wicks and all, but in the end, it's not. A lot of times, it just doesn't go anywhere and all. And that's what I see here. Let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart. And on the weekly chart, we can see how it has its range that it actually trades in. And all. And right now in the Russell, I would definitely, it bounced off the 50. This is the 50 moving average right here. It bounced off that and all. And that's down here around this, what, 214, 214 down here. And right now you got the supply up here. I'll have that supply line way up here, but it's you know, a round number. It's around 230. So your round number down, yeah, you got to go down to about 210, you know, to be on the safe side. And you wouldn't want to say 215. And although it came down in there and it bounced out of there right away. But that's what I see. Again, the Russell is not going anywhere. Let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and see what we see there. Because on the daily chart, we might see some little action going on where it might give you some nice intraday type trading. But trying to swing this, for me, based on my trading plans and my trading strategy, it's nothing there. You know, it's nothing there for me and all. But let's go down to the daily chart and see what we see there and wrap this on up. On the daily chart, I'm zoom. See, and this is the thing. The Russell is one of those ones, you know, this week is really choppy. It was at a top. These are the tops right here. And we did get a nice push down. You know, and you can see this was the bottom. It bounced as a man. We thought it was going to come down here and try to fill some gaps. It never did come down here. It didn't even get as low this last time. And then it pushed back up. It sold off probably more so than any of the other indexes here today. And also, again, that's the Russell. The Russell is one of those ones, it's going to have a hard time breaking these tops up here right now, in my opinion. And it's just the way the Russell is. So then that's what I see. So the Russell is one of those ones, and as you can see, 222 to 230, only an $8 range. And again, if it's not moving that much, it's hard to make money on something like that, playing a directional trade. Just leave it at that. And that's all I really want to share at all. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend. Have a great weekend. Happy Valentine's Day. Go spend some time with your loved ones. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.